Hello, parents. I appreciate you being here on Parent Night, fall of 2020. Welcome to you, and I'm glad you are here virtually. Wish we were here face to face, but it is what it is. So here's some basic information for you. This is my email. It is a very long email. I apologize for it. It's just my name and where I work. So it's Anthony Salsiccioli at clarencevilleschools.org. And down below are the Google Class codes of the 3 classes that I teach. Also, I have a YouTube channel that has a breakdown of all the videos from class if you and your student is so inclined. So a little bit about me. Since 2001, I have taught students from grades 7 through 12, U.S. history, government, sociology, law, big history, philosophy, and world history. During my tenure here, I've coached football, wrestling, and track. I received my BA in political science pre-law from Michigan State in '96, my second degree in history education from U of M Dearborn, and a master's degree in 2006. I've also served as the president of the Michigan Council for the Social Studies and been awarded the McConnell History Award, the Fishman Prize, the Gilder Lehrman Teacher of the Year, and the Clarenceville Teacher of the Year. I've lived in Metro Detroit my entire life with my 3 children who are all in high school, and that's a little bit about me. And in terms of your student, here are the big 3 areas of student success that I'm looking for this year. First of all, the first thing that's paramount is attending the Zoom meetings in a proper state of mind, not just keeping it on in the background or doing something else, but really being present on the Zoom meetings. The second piece, communicating with me often, letting me know what's going on. That's huge in this online world. And putting the time in. I think I give adequate time to the students, and I hope they are putting the time in. And my philosophy this year in particular, I'm trying to mix forgiveness and accountability. I know things are difficult. I know there's technology issues and working in this online forum. At the same time, I need to have some accountability. So just so you know, students have a chance to turn in late or correct poor performances up to 6 weeks of the grading deadlines. Every 6 weeks, unfortunately, if they did not do their work, I have to put zeros in to keep them accountable, but at the same time, they have 6 weeks to improve matters. And students know that the people who do the right things, I'm going to take care of them when it counts. The ones who've communicated with me and trying their best, I'm very kind, I'm very forgiving. I'll give them a tremendous amount of leeway. Students who've exhibited absenteeism, apathy, not caring, or not communicating with me, they're kind of left with what they've earned, unfortunately, but I'm hoping to have a lot more success and positivity than negative outcomes. And this year, I'll tell you what, it is a team effort this year. None of us know how long this online education is going to last. Normal measures I take as a teacher, I'm not able to do, for example, during homeroom checking on kids or during my prep hour, pulling them out of class to show them stuff. So I really need your help this year in helping your student follow my big 3. Be on the Zoom meetings, be present, communicate with me, and put the time in. And I thank you for your efforts and know that if we stick together and work together, your student's going to have some success. And real quick, if you are unfamiliar with Google Classroom, your student has a Gmail account. A lot of people have Gmail accounts. If you go to the waffle in the upper right and go to Classroom, this is where your students' classes are. So in this case, I'll use World History. I click on World History, and all the classwork is there in terms of what we're doing day to day. I'm speaking to you on October 12th, and here's what we did on October 12th, and here's what we're doing on Wednesday, so on and so forth. And for every day, there is a video for students who need to hear it again or if they were absent. So I'm trying to be as transparent as I can with you and your students and give them every opportunity to do well. So again, I appreciate you being here and anticipate a lot of success in the future. And stay well until I get to see you in person. Every day is a great day to be a Clarenceville Trojan.